She uses this leaf when washing clothes, and the results are amazing. After learning this trick, you won't need to buy expensive laundry detergent anymore. With this ingredient, you will achieve incredible results, restoring the purity and cleanliness of your clothes. Furthermore, it helps keep your clothes looking as good as new, all without the need for scrubbing or hoping for a miracle. Most people don't even realize that papaya leaf is a powerful stain remover for clothes. But our ancestors knew the power of nature and the uses of plants in cleaning. It's a widely used recipe in certain countries because it's not only effective but also simple and inexpensive to make. You only need 2 ingredients, 1 papaya leaf, 2 liters of water. Instructions: start by placing your clothes in a basin, cover them with water, and add laundry detergent. Take a papaya leaf, blend it with 2 liters of water, and then strain the mixture. Pour the resulting liquid over your clothes in the basin. Don't worry, it will turn green. Place the basin in the sun and let the magic happen. Remove the clothes when they are whiter and without stains. Finally, rinse your garments and let them air dry. There are many other natural ingredients as effective as papaya leaf for cleaning, stain removal, and odor removal from clothes. If you want to learn what they are, click on the video above.